Hello students, welcome to the topic of repair welding of broken cast iron machine parts by cast iron electrode SMAW01, which is shielded metal arc welding. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the edges, set the cast iron plates and tack weld, preheat and post-heat the joints, select the electrode and set current, weld the broken parts.
This topic involves the use of several tools and equipment. Here are the main tools commonly used. Wire brush, hand grinder, bastard file, leather apron, leather hand gloves, leg guard, safety shoes, welding helmet, safety goggles, chipping hammer. Process: repairing of CI broken gear. Cleaning the cast weld surfaces. Preheating on the crack line. Choosing the proper ISO electrode numbers must be according to cast iron and no need of wire consumables. Choosing arc welding technique and consumable electrode numbers must be according to cast iron. Finish with show cooling.
The topic revolves around the preparation of the edges, setting the cast iron plates and tack weld, preheat and post-heat the joints, selecting the electrode and setting the current, welding the broken parts. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.